Welcome to the Test Life in the UK lesson number 2. Which Scottish city is known as the home of golf? Which court deals with the most serious cases of children aged 10 to 17 in England, Wales, and Northern Ireland? What is the name of the best preserved prehistoric village in Northern Europe, and which origin traces back to the Stone Age? When was the National Trust founded? After the Black Death, new social classes appeared in England, including owners of large areas of land known as Who is married to the King of the United Kingdom? Where is Loch Lomond and the Trossachs National Park located? Which of the following operas was written by Gilbert and Sullivan? Elizabeth the Furry was the younger daughter of which king? What percentage of the total British population is located in England alone? Which British sportswoman won 2 gold medals for running in the 2004 Olympic Games? When did the Conservative government call a referendum on the UK's membership of the European Union? What is the official home of the Prime Minister? What time do pubs usually open on Sundays in the UK? How old do you need to be to apply for a free TV license? What day does Lent start? Who was the first British Prime Minister? By what two other names is the Church of England known? In which period did British film studios flourish? Who was Robert Burns? Which flower is associated with England? What is the name of the building where the Scottish Parliament meet? Which court deals with cases involving personal injury, family matters, breaches of contract and divorce in England and Wales? What was the population of the UK in 2010?